As per the article, hello, welcome. As per the article of NGTV, the ISRO announced its first uncrewed mission of Gaganyaan in December. What it means is the ISRO is going to launch then spacecraft which is carry 4 astronauts to the moon or space, we can say. So to test that flight, we have to launch to a demonstration, like we have to empty with without astronauts we have to launch the spacecrafts. So two uncrewed flights are planned to test the end-to-end capacity of manned mission, to test the capacity that we can send the astronauts or not. As going further, the Indian Space Research Organization is racing against time, as the this is demo flight is okay, as this demo flight is scheduled like July and August 2021, but due to COVID-19 pandemic there is a lot of fluctuations, like delivery hardware system, you can see disrupted delivery hardware systems, supplies, etc. Because for a spacecraft to be built, we need more and more hardware which are comes from the various parts of our country, India and foreign. Due to COVID-19, the transport is not totally disturbed, but some amount of hardware is not at the ISRO space stations. So what happened is, officials of the Bangalore headquarters space agency said the first and second wave of pandemic have severely affected the Gaganyaan. Obviously, this is to be held in before the December. We have to send the astronauts to the space, but due to COVID-19, this is delayed. So see, this is the hardware information that how COVID is impacting the hardware delivery systems. Okay. See, it is writing that PTI means Press Trust of India. So as it is written that the hardware of Gaganyaan is fabricated and supplied by the hundreds of industrials and industrial across the country. So obviously due to transport there is a program to get the hardware, obviously. So what is the objective of this program is to send the humans to lower earth orbit and board an Indian launch vehicle. Means when a spacecraft reaches the lower earth orbit, it will eject the main engine and a space shuttle is remaining only. The main engine like GSLV, PSLV, Mark 1, Mark 2 are ejected, and then only a spacecraft is remaining. So what happened is, this is the main objective of ISRO. So this is just an information about the Union Ministry that this year first unmanned mission is planned to Mars, etc., etc., which is followed by human spaceflight demonstration. And you already know 4 Indian astronauts are already trained in Russia, which I get back to India now. Or this is ISRO's heavyweight, you can see, which I am talking about earlier, which is heavyweight GSLV Mark 3 is using for this mission. This geosynchronous launching vehicle. This is a geosynchronous launching vehicle, which is a which can throw your space shuttle to very long distance in the space. Formal announcement of Gaganyaan program was made by Prime Minister, which is Independence of 15 August 2018, and this is obvious. So the initial target is before the 75th anniversary of Indian independence. They will launch the human space flight. Like the deadline is 75th anniversary, like 15 August 2022, means next year. So most of the hardware is like in the ISRO now. So they are now realizing the hardware due to there is a delay. So they are doing extra work, the extra hours to do as they can do the best. So this is just an basic information. So you can say ISRO is also taking help from the French and Russian space agencies for the components, because all the components, as you know, the fighter jets like Jaguar and the Mirages, the MiG-29 Bisons. We purchased the engine. That's why there is a news comes that we have to retire the Jaguar 129. I guess 129 Jaguars and MiG-19 MiG-29 Bisons for due to those engines which are very which are not built now, because there are today they are fifth generation fighters, so no one wants to build that in 80th century 80th 1990s engines. So this is all about this ISRO program.